Hey, it's Resto-Rob.
Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and today I've got a project for you guys. Magdad sent us a monkey wrench, well, pipe wrench, 10-inch Bonney wood handle vintage pipe wrench, and today we're going to clean it up. So follow along as I clean this up and let me know how you feel. So sit back, relax, and take a look at this. So this one came from Magdad, so we're going to clean it up. You can see it's pretty rusty, crusty. So let's just assemble it, clean it up, and make it new. Oh, the end screw wasn't even tight. Well, that was pretty easy. Make sure you guys wear your dust mask when working on heavy metal stuff like this. And always wear your proper PPE. So I'm going to take my Dremel with my little cutting or wire wheel, or plastic wheel. I'm going to run it over real quick to the big wire wheel, so I can see that this part is the one that needs to be peened over. Because this is spring steel, you don't want to put these into the evaporust. Sometimes you can ease and pry the rivet apart. Okay, there's one. And then when we're done, we'll clean all this up, and then this rivet will get tapped back in. Okay, that's out. So, I'm going to wire wheel these a little bit. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to throw this in here, that in here, and all this is going to go into the Tub of Love Evaporust. So here we are, after soaking the Evaporust and then a trip to the wire wheel. So this is clean, but you can kind of see where it's bent in, so we're going to have to work on that. So it all cleaned up pretty well. Pretty happy with it. So I'll clean up this with the spring steel, and then I'm gonna have to make another section of spring steel. So that's where we're at on this. Okay, so a little ball peen and anvil. This came out pretty good, pretty straight. We fit nicely. So we should get this cleaned up. Okay, that's back together. So now we got to make one for here. So what I like to use is part of a hacksaw, because that's a pretty good piece of spring steel. Okay, so here's our spring steel. So we're going to punch a hole. All right, so that's how we're looking. Okay, we got this right here, and we'll just end up peening it over. So let's take a little bit off. So this one came from Magdad, so we're going to clean it up. You can see it's pretty rusty, crusty. Let's just assemble it, clean it up, and make it new. So here's our finished wrench with the new metal. I just want to leave it original, kind of shiny like this. Thinking maybe I'm going to blue a little bit of it. So yeah, let's blue it. Little parts cleaner. Probably should have done this before I put the pin together, but it is what it is. To me, it seems like it has a good old-timey feel to it, being blued. So, wow, I'm pretty impressed the way this blued. So, tell me what you guys think. And hopefully I made Magdad proud. It's all cleaned and ready to be hung up. So this is American chestnut stain that I did to give it that old, I don't know, it just looks good to me. Well, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed the restoration of this Bonney Stilson style wrench. I think it came out really nice. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. And hopefully I'll be bringing you a lot more Bonney activity-filled adventures. So as always, stay safe and we will check you later.